That justifies what Rahul Gandhi has said. Dr. Ranganathan?
No, first of all, for the nth time, can I please correct my good friend Tehseen when he says maybe Monojit thinks Mamata's Congress was the real Congress? No, but ours is the real Congress. Well, can I please gently remind you that there is no such thing as real Congress anymore? The Congress that is of Rahul Gandhi and Sonia Gandhi is the Indira Congress. And even that Congress came about after Indira was thrown out of the real Congress and made Congress R standing for requisitionist. And it was Congress R that proclaimed the emergency. And after that, there have been Congress J, Congress O, Congress S, Congress D, Congress E, and now there is Congress, which is Indian National Congress. So please, there is no real freedom fighter wali Congress party. You are as much Congress as Trinamool Congress is there. Now I want you to लड़ो एक दूसरे में, समाप्त कर दो एक दूसरे को. Monojit da, over to you.
नहीं सर, ऐसा मत बोलिए. ये आपस में लड़ते हैं, फिर ब्लेम मुझ पे आ जाता है. ऐसे मत कीजिए आप प्लीज. आप लोग हंस के निकल जाते हैं, मुझे हर रोज यहां जवाब देना पड़ता है. ऐसे मत कीजिए. प्रोफेसर मंडल, यू नो, आई वाज टॉकिंग अबाउट द माइंडसेट. एंड किशोर तिवारी जी, आपने भी सुना सुरजेवाला क्या कह रहे हैं कि अगर आपने नरेंद्र मोदी या बीजेपी को वोट दिया है तो आप डीमनिक है, राक्षस बोल दिया है. सर ये क्या है? इसको कैसे बोला जाए? ये बैंटर है, क्या है ये?
No, that is absolutely unacceptable. That was not the language that should be used against anyone. But my limited point was that, I mean, when someone, again I repeat the same thing. I mean, when someone is winning on a different political party's ticket and switching sides to another political party without resigning, that is legally permissible. I am not questioning that.
He's a Rajya Sabha MP nominated.
Legality, there is something called.
He's a Rajya Sabha MP. Mr. Bittu is a Rajya Sabha MP. Professor Mondal, Rajya Sabha MP.
Did he resign? Did he resign? Did he resign from the Congress party? Did he resign? I really don't know. The fact remains
So if someone doesn't resign, you will call that person a traitor. Shahzad, had you resigned before coming to the BJP?
I was thrown out of the Congress party.
No, but did you resign? That they can do, but you still have to resign if you don't want to have the traitor tag.
See, the problem is that Mr. Monojit Da is forgetting that there are several leaders of the BJP and Congress, by the way, they have taken in their party while they are MLAs. For instance, Sagar Digi MLA, one congressman, one MLA in Bengal. Sagar Digi. He was MLA, they took him in the party. So now, Mr. Monojit, would you say your Sagar Digi MLA is a traitor of Congress party because he did not resign his ticket? He came to your party. So you tell me, is he a traitor?
So you have also many of our leaders into your political party were our rotten oranges. I'm answering your question.
No.
Including the leader of the opposition. You did not have anyone. You had to borrow it from us.
नहीं, ये एक सेकंड बहुत भारी पड़ जाता. नहीं, ठीक है. Professor Mondal tried twice. It's okay. You don't have to answer all questions that Shahzad Poonawala is asking. Professor Mondal, don't fall for this, please.
You have taken most of our rotten oranges into your party, including the leader of the opposition. आपने देखा है तो पैसा लेने के लिए.
तो rotten oranges, आप लोग, sir,
you showed him taking money.
What were rotten oranges doing in your party?
You showed him. You showed him. You had a televised. Hang on now. You had the televised show in March 2016. You had the televised show from your political party office saying that शुभेंदु अधिकारी पैसा ले रहा है, उनको पार्टी में ले लिया. All this not only just Mukul Roy ko le liya. You
Professor Mondal, the way this is going, I am afraid. 1 minute. Sir, शांत हो जाइए पहले तो please. Dr. Ranganathan क्या बोल रहे हैं?
Where is Mukul Roy? Which party is Mukul Roy now in? Professor Monojit Mandal, which party? Which party is Mukul Roy now in?
अरे महाराष्ट्र में तो पूरा पार्टी को खरीद लिया, पूरा सरकार को खरीद लिया महाराष्ट्र में. You are talking about political morality. Shame on BJP. BJP has shown this trend in Indian political system.
Which
it's
party
BJP,
is
because
Mukul
of their
Roy
money.
now in?
They stole the entire government in Maharashtra.
Which party? Which party
Mukul
is Mukul Roy now in?
Neither here nor there. Mukul Roy is nowhere. Mukul Rai is nowhere, neither here nor there. Before Inferno, going to the hell or heaven, nobody knows.
Hell or heaven? Okay, you've invoked hell and heaven both. Okay, किशोर तिवारी जी बोलिए सर, यहाँ पे वो जो उनका प्लेसमेंट है ना प्रोफेसर मंडल का, मुझे लग रहा है विंडो में, वो जिस विंडो में है उसी के आसपास वो हुआ था, बट आप बोलिए।
ये देखो, मैं एक बात बताता हूं, मैं कभी कांग्रेस में नहीं था, मैं बीजेपी में था। व्हेन बीजेपी गॉट ओवर फ्लडेड विद द कांग्रेसमैन एंड करप्ट कांग्रेसमैन, आई लेफ्ट बीजेपी विद द मिनिस्टर of minister rank. I left BJP, resigning that post and joined Shiv Sena. So I was never associated with the Congress. But now I am thinking to join Congress to make Rahul Gandhi Prime Minister.
नो सर, यू मस्ट। राहुल गांधी जी को आपके जैसे युवा नेताओं की बहुत जरूरत है। आप लोग ही सब मिलके उनको आगे ले जा सकते हैं। आप रवि श्रीवास्तव भी हंस रहे, वो शायद वो भी, उनके भी यही प्लान है। बोलिए सर, बोलिए डिडंट मीन टू इंट। वो देखिए, यस डॉक्टर रंगनाथन, व्हाट इज दिस?
The bad orange has now miraculously returned to Trinamool. Mukul Roy, look what he says. He is in Trinamool Congress. Now, Monojit Da, what do you have to say to that?
He can say what he wants. Professor Mondal, I am with you. बोलिए सर।
I'll tell you. His candidature was upheld by Supreme Court, saying that he is a BJP MLA. The Supreme Court has given that verdict. So he is an MLA, he is in BJP. That's the formal thing, right?
He's in BJP.
But that's not the point.
He
Look,
says he's
this
in TMC.
Incurable diseases. That's what the Supreme Court has said, that he is still the BJP MP. You don't know the facts of the case. There lies the problem. अब बंगाल के लिए तो कुछ नहीं करते हो ना। इतना बड़ा घटना घट गया सुप्रीम कोर्ट में। The chief minister was pleading for the people of Bengal, not a single show.
सर, 1 minute, चलिए आप बार बोल रहे। 1 minute सर, प्रोफेसर मोंडल 1 minute. After this show, 1 minute, there is the news hour with Navita Kumar. At 9:30, watch the debate on Bengal, on Mamata Banerjee, things that she said in the Supreme Court. उस पर debate है प्रोफेसर मोंडल। आप, why do you always jump the gun? But that is no defense of, what you've just presented. डॉक्टर रंगनाथन आपको प्रूफ दिखा रहे हैं। He is a leader, उन्होंने अपने बायो में लिखा हुआ है TMC। आप बोल रहे हैं TMC नहीं है, बीजेपी है। प्रोफेसर मोंडल।
No, I am saying that आप जब महाराष्ट्र में पूरा सरकार को खरीद लिया, गुवाहाटी में जब कोविड चल रहा था, 5 स्टार 7 स्टार होटल में रखे थे, तो आप क्या किया था बोलो? Was that political morality? अरे या तो 2-1 इधर उधर हो रहे हैं, आप तो पूरा सरकार को खरीद लिया था।
अच्छा,
आप क्यों बात करते हो?
फाइनली